Yo, what the fuck is going on? Welcome to the motherfucking first YouTube Got Talent, only the most talented show on the motherfucking internet. Holy shit, it's been a minute since we've been live. Holy fuck, it's gonna be kind of like a talent show thing. It's just fucking super loud. Holy shit, my bad. This is the first stream. I didn't even fucking test it. I thought this would be a better, more personal way to get to know a lot of you guys because there's a lot of talented people on this channel. The last time I did a live stream, awesome fucking dude donated $500, so I thought instead of keeping that $500 to myself, instead we can just give it back. So in every one of these live streams coming up, I'll be doing $100 giveaway, so make sure you turn on your notifications so you don't miss the next one. Fucking sick, dude. You're the first person I'm doing this with. All right, bro, let's show everybody your music. Pots and pans.
Time to destroy you.
Are those real pots and pans?
No. Operator. Thanks for having me, man. It definitely feels a little bit shady clicking onto Omegle and my girlfriend has walked in. She was like, what the fuck?
Yeah, man. I'm trying it out. Hopefully this works out. I'm digging it so far, though.
Yeah, it's a creative idea, man. Great job.
Appreciate that, dude. Thank you so much. Yo! Hey. All right, what's your name, bro?
I'm Buren, actually. That's my other name.
What's up, dude? Where are you from?
I'm actually from the Holy Land, Israel.
Israel, the Holy Land. Holy shit. So you about to give us some holy-ass beats, too, or what?
Middle Eastern stuff.
All right, everybody. This is Piranha, all the way from Israel. I want to know in the chat what you guys think about this stuff, too. I need to know your opinions. You guys are the judges with me. Yo! Yo! Bro, that wasn't even the drop. That wasn't even the actual drop. That was hard, dude.
Nah. Thanks, man.
This is awesome. I love this. This is such a good idea. Damn. Damn. Fucking fire, bro. You got it, man. That was a fucking vibe. That definitely had a lot of energy. It's just awesome. Yo, what is up? What's your name?
Is K-Aim. Sorry, I'm French, so I'm very bad in English.
Tu parles français?
Oui, je parle français, ouais, mais du coup, anglais, a little.
Un peu.
Un poquito.
Un poquito, okay. All right, next up, we got KM Repulsion all the way from fucking Paris. Some French hard trap right here. Oh! Okay, that was cool. Hello.
What's up?
What's going on, dude?
Nothing much.
What's your name?
I'm Chris, but I go by the name Ritsu.
Okay, everybody, this is right. Wait, how do you say it again?
Ritsu.
Ritsu.
Thank you.
I want to start a mosh pit in here, bro. Let's start a mosh pit.
I tracked all the drums and everything, and like the scream was I layered the scream underneath a Sullivan King scream, and then the drop was actually because Ableton exported it weird and fucked with my LFOs, so all that was like sounding completely different in the beginning.
Well, I loved it. Yo, yo, yo.
Yo, what's up, bro?
What's going on?
Guess who this is?
Unknown. What's up, dude?
What's up, bro? How you doing?
Amazing. How are you?
I'm good, man. Chilling.
All right, tell us a little bit about yourself, bro. I'm pretty shit at music. Everybody's unknown and he's shit at music.
No, I'm 17. I've been producing for like 3 years.
Fuck! Bro, that shit got me hot. Holy fuck. This shit has so much of a vibe, dude. Holy shit. Definitely add him. Bro, Unknown always throws some shit at me, you know? He's always sent some stuff, but this one I like a lot. This one was very unique. I loved it.
I'm Get Trucks.
You're Get Trucks, dude.
Yeah,
What the fuck is up, bro?
Just broke my fucking headphones. I just came from work right now. It's 1 a.m.
So
Yeah.
cool to see you guys in person. Bro, I've
cool.
seen your name for so long, dude. Okay.
Yeah, it's
All
been
right.
some years.
It's been a while. Okay. Send us your music or tell us a little bit about yourself too. A little bit about you and your music.
So I'm Get Trucks. My name and I come from.
Let's hear. All right, everybody. This is Get Trucks. Everything or Nothing. And there's a video too. Oh, sick. We can watch this together.
Subject of this speech
Whoa, is that an alien?
is a topic
Alien
which
egg.
has been discovered
Probably.
recently.
If you guys have visualizers and like things that you've made for your music, send that too. This is way cool.
Does not exist. Therefore, I'm free to say everything or nothing. Everything or nothing.
Oh, that's fat. What up, what up, what
Whoa.
up?
It's me.
What's up, dude? What's your name?
I'm Kato Fox. CADOFOX.
Kato Fox.
Kato Fox. There you
Where
go.
are you from, dude? Tell us a little bit about yourself.
I'm from Virginia. Well, I'm in Virginia right now. I've been making music for 10 years.
Nice.
And I make like glitchy trap. I know someone already did that, but yeah, that's sort of my thing.
All right, everybody. This is Kato Fox, Blackjack. Oh, fuck. Okay. It took me a little bit to get the groove, but when you get it, it's like, oh, shit.
Yeah. Yeah, it is. To respond to the chat a little bit, it is inspired by like lo-fi also, which is why it's like a bit more repetitive.
Whoa.
Oh, this next part is I kind of switched it to like glitch hop. I think I would categorize it.
Gotcha. Bro, you're fucking dope. All the elements go so well together.
Thank you.
Love
Thank
it.
you.
Dude,
Thank you.
killed it.
So it is inspired a lot by like fusion jazz, and like I'm a huge fan of Jacob Collier too. And so I took a lot of inspiration from people doing different time signatures in jazz, and so I just sort of adapted that. And another little fun fact, I actually used if you could hear, there's like a little screaming sound that happens every so often. That's an actual fox screaming that I use in every song.
Nice. Actually so amazing, and I like your energy, and I love how you talk about your music. You sound so passionate. Keep that shit up, dude. You're on to something.
Thank you.
I'm gonna be hitting you up for sure.
Thank you. Oh my god, that means so much.
Awesome, dude. Thank you, dude. All right.
Yeah. All right. See ya.
Awesome ass fucking dude. Honestly, the main thing for me was just being able to see you guys' face and like talk to you directly. I think this is an epic win for me. Like I love this shit. Yo,
what's up? Hello? How you doing, Cruz? You doing alright?
I'm just kidding. I was acting like I'm frozen. What's up, dude? What's your name? Where are you from? Tell us a little about yourself.
My name is Levi, and I'm Irish Hungarian. I could say a lot more, but I don't want to waste too much time.
Some respect when you mention my
Oh, that's cool. Fucking dope, dude. That was fucking tight, dude.
Thank you very much. I'm looking forward to finishing it within the next month because there's a lot of variations. Like the whole track is already fleshed out. It's just that these are the best bits so far.
I like it, man. It's got mad potential. Keep it up. Thank you for sharing that with us. Okay, this shit died. The camera died, so I'll be better prepared next time. But yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, doing this with me. The winner is between Unknown and fucking Foxy Kato Fox. To decide right now who's gonna win, let me do this. Hold on. Unknown's a fucking goddamn cool ass dude. Look what he just said. He just said mine's a whip. Kato Fox wins for sure, bro. Unknown, you're a fucking cool ass dude. I fuck with you a lot. You're so nice. For real though, Kato Fox. All right, guys. Dude, I love your shit, Unknown. It's a banger. It's a banger for sure. I would even love to fuck with that if you let me, but this shit right here, Kato Fox, definitely took the cake, dude. You're the winner of the first fucking YouTube Got Talent. I'm kind of sad my camera turned off, but Kato Fox is the winner. I want to thank everybody for tuning in. Make sure you guys have your notifications on so you don't miss the next one. But yeah, shout out to Kato Fox. He's won $100. Next week we'll do it again, so be on the lookout for that. But yeah, thank you guys for coming by, hanging out with me, and I'll see you guys on the next one.